Good evening, students. I hope you are all doing good and taking a very good care of yourself in these hard times. Uh, Today we are going to discuss lesson The School for Sympathy. Before we start, let me tell you I've just shared with you the syllabus of these 2 months, that is April and May. Uh, Two lessons of section A, Hassan's attendance problem, and the March King. One lesson from section C, that is the School for Sympathy. Two poems, The Prayer of Woods and On Friendship. And then there are translation sentences. So you go through that syllabus and prepare accordingly. We have already shared Hassan's attendance problem and the prayer of words with you. The material, lesson, details, explanation, question answers, even quiz. So I have also shared with you a video based on this lesson, The School for Sympathy. There is a video lesson along with a PDF file where the main points and question answers are discussed regarding this lesson. Now let me tell you something about this lesson, The School for Sympathy. Actually, this is a little bit different schools from other ordinary schools like ours. Not every subject is taught here in such schools, in the School for Sympathy. Apart from some basics in studies, there are some other things to be taken care of, as for example, in the matter of taking care of the people who are handicapped. So let's start. First of all, the name of the writer of this lesson, The School for Sympathy, is E.V. Lucas. E.V. मैं फिर गलत बोलिया, E.V. मैं जानबूझ के ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੋਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਾਊਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੈ। ਤਿੰਨ ਸਾਊਂਡਸ ਹੈ ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਸੁਣਨਾ। ਇੱਕ ਬ बैट, दोनों लिप्स टच कर रहे हैं। एक व डब्ल्यू वाला, व्हेन, व्हाई, हु, वेयर, विच, व्हेन। ओके, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਿਪਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਉਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਸਪਰੈਡ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇੱਕ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬੈਟ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੀ ਜਾਂ ਵੈਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੀ, ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਗਲਤ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਆ। वैन, विक्ट्री, वाइन, ये वो वाइन है जो वेल हुंदी है, वाइन, VINE, वाइन, ये वो जो अंगूरां तो बनती है। सो ये डिफरेंट आर्टिकुलेशनस हैं जिहदे नाल डिफरेंट साउंड्स क्रिएट होंदियां। ब दोनों बुल टच होंदे हैं, व उपरला दंद ते निचला होंठ टच होंदा है। वाइन, विक्ट्री, वैन। सो अगर मैं बैन कहांगा, ये BAN बैन है कि इत्थे बैन लग्या होया है, इस चीज़ नू अलाउड नहीं है, दैट इज़ बैन। ओके, सो E.V. Lucas, now I'm speaking it right. Okay, the School for Sympathy was a special school, as I have already told you. And the owner or the person who runs this school is Miss Beam. Miss Beam is the main character of this lesson, and students were taught practically. Students had a blind day, a lame day, a deaf day, a maimed day, and a dumb day in the course. So, as I told you earlier, handicaps. The students were made to act like disabled to get an understanding of others' misfortune. If it's a blind day, the students would wear a piece of cloth over their eyes overnight, and next morning, when it was their turn to do the turn of blind, so they would wake up blind without seeing anything around them. So, in that way, they would really realize what is the meaning of being blind actually. So, blind day was the most difficult day, and bandage was put on overnight, as I just told you. And on lame day, one leg was tied up for the whole day, and then one had to use crutches, फौड़ियाँ जो होंगी हैं, crutches to walk. On maimed day, the arms were tied. Okay, so without, how do you feel without arm? Okay, and Peter was gardener of the school. I'm just telling you a few, describing you a few characters also. Peter, gardener of the school. Millie was the head girl, and the students were taught spellings, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, that is division. The rest was done by the reading to them and by lectures. So they grow with a kind heart and understand the misfortune of the handicapped in this way by taking their turns. Writer was very impressed by Miss Beam and her school. Actually, the writer accidentally passes by the school, and then he notices something important, something different, unusual about the school, and then he drops in. That is, he visits the school and finds something very, very surprising and different. Okay, let's go through some of the question answers. Today I am giving you questions and answers. Tomorrow we'll have a Zoom class, then I'll ask you a few questions, and we'll have a quiz also in the coming days asking you about the details of this lesson. First question, what was the real aim of Miss Beam's school? So what was it? Understanding. The real aim of Miss Beam's school was to make students kind, noble, and thoughtful citizens so that they may understand what is actually being blind. What is the educative value of blind, deaf, or lame day? Students learn to understand problems of the handicapped. This developed the feelings of sympathy in children, and they learn to help handicapped kindly. What does the girl with the bandaged eyes tell the author about her guide? She tells that they helped her very kindly, very supportively. What does the girl with the bandaged eyes tell the author about the gardener? She tells that the gardener seems to be 100 years old, means very, very old. So these are only a few questions that just to discuss with you, apart from some other points. I think this will give you a sort of main idea about the lesson. What is the School for Simthi all about? Now, there are some long question answers based on the lesson, and they are 3-marked question. Okay, 3-mark question. The School for Simthi, let's discuss the theme of this lesson. Very important question. Last year it appeared in the question paper, last year, and in this pre-board exams that just happened in February. Theme of the School for Simthi. The lesson gives the ideas of role of school education in our life. Miss Beam was running a school. The name of her school was the School for Sympathy. It was different from other schools. The students were taught spellings, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing, that is division. But the real aim of her school was to make children kind and thoughtful. Students had a blind day, lame day, deaf day, maimed day, and a dumb day in the course. So they learn to understand problems of the handicapped. This developed the feelings of sympathy in children. They learn to help handicapped kindly. It suggests that education should make children good human beings and kind citizens. Okay. Character sketch, very important. Character sketch of Miss Beam. Miss Beam was a kind woman. She was very understanding. Her hairs were turning grey. She was running a school. The name of her school was the School for Sympathy. It was different from the schools. The students were taught spellings, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and division. But the real aim of our school was to make children kind and supportive and thoughtful. Students had a blind day, deaf day, maimed day, and a dumb day in the course. So they learned to understand problems of the handicapped. This developed the feelings of sympathy in children. So they learned to help handicapped kindly. With this kind of unique school, Miss Beam was an asset to the society. So this is all about the School for Sympathy today. Next class we will discuss, or rather I'll ask you questions and we will clear some doubts if you have any. So take care, take a very good care of yourself and others. Thank you very much. Bye.